Are you wanting to buy your first investment property but don't know where to start? Well, here are 3 steps that will guide you through the process. Number 1, is understand your goals. The most important step in this whole process. Understand why you're wanting to buy the property in the first place. Is it to develop passive income? Is it for retirement purposes? Whatever it is, understand your goals. Number 2, understand your finances. Know how much you're able to borrow. Speak to a mortgage broker and they'll be able to go through the process with you in terms of what you need to get started from a lending process. And finally, number 3 is find the right property. If you have no idea where to look, speak to a professional. They'll be able to guide you, provide you with research, provide you with the right information and the right property that suits your needs and objectives. My 3 steps to guide you when it comes to purchasing your first investment property. I'm Clyde Gonzalez, thanks for watching.